What's going on, my people? Today we have an unboxing. As you can tell by the title, we have a Daytona helmet C6 Pro unboxing for you guys. We're going to go ahead and make this video as quick as possible. It's just an unboxing. I do want to get you guys a review video. So let's get started. Let me go grab a knife really quick. Alrighty, so I couldn't find a knife. So I got a flathead screwdriver. That should work. Um, Also too, by the way, shout out to Daytona, man. My dad and I were getting ready to leave to Idaho. Today is Wednesday. We're getting ready to leave to Idaho on Friday at 2 o'clock in the morning, for one of our motorcycle ministry clubs. And basically, my dad and I, we have Senna Outrush. I'll make this quick. We have Senna Outrush, and they're super loud. They're super super loud. So I wanted to get this helmet, this Daytona helmet. I have the standard already. My wife has the standard. But I wanted to get a helmet as well too in preparation for Idaho. Something a little bit more quiet to take away the fatigue. So I've always been having my eye on Daytona. Fast forward yesterday, we reached out. Well, my dad reached out to Daytona and called them like, "Hey, listen, by any chance you guys are gonna have the restock?" They were gonna have the restock on the 16th. So it got a little delayed, but they were gonna have the restock by the 16th. The guy said, "Hey, listen," he took our information down. He's like, "Listen, I'll call you guys when it's restocked so we can go ahead and put the order." Man, that same day, I was talking about like 5-10 minutes after. I think I was dealing with Kyle and Francis, who's a part of the Kyle I know is from Daytona. I believe that's his name. And Francis, who was from the manufacturers who actually manufactures the helmets, they called us within 5 to 10 minutes. I was like, "Hey, listen, what we could do is we can carve out the helmet and make it your size." And we needed medium and large. That same day we placed the order, they got it sent out to us within a day. So shout out to Daytona. Now let's get back to this unboxing. Just a little quick story for you guys. And like I said, we're going to Idaho, so it's gonna be some days on the road. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this box. And here we have the package. C6, I'm super excited for this, dude. I also have the photochromic blue lens that hasn't come in. It's out for delivery today. I just haven't got that in, and I want to get this video out to you guys. And I also have the Bluetooth pair that will be on this helmet. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. Smooth this flathead out the way. Um, Nice packaging, by the way. It comes in a helmet. Not a helmet, sorry, a bag. Comes in a bag. And then we have the pin lock, which I'm also going to install. I'm not going to do it in this video, but it's just simply an unboxing. And we have nothing else in the box, so we're good here. I love the fact that it came in a bag. I mean, that's just a nice touch. You have your own bag for your helmet, which I'm really not going to use, but it's still nice to have. This thing is light already, and I haven't even taken it out. Man, this is a really nice bag. Really, really nice bag. Put this down. And here we have it. Here we have it. The Daytona C6 Pro. This thing looks big in person. Big in person, but it's beautiful. I mean, we can easily take this off. But dude, this thing is light. Super, super light. I think they retail for $699.95. Shout out to, I believe, I don't know his YouTube channel or his TikTok, Strav. His code is Strav15. I'll put his YouTube down below. But shout out to him. I saw his video on this helmet, and dude, ever since I saw this video, I was like, I gotta get this. And he was saying it was better than the Simpson Ghost Bandit, which is a helmet that I wanted. But then hearing how loud it is, I'm very big on quietness, especially when we go on the expressway. So yeah, man. Shout out to him. Shout out to Daytona. This helmet looks absolutely amazing. And I can't wait to get you guys a review video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on, see how this fits. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, comment. Let me know if you guys have any other ideas or reviews. I will be doing a cam kit on my lowrider ST, so I'll also be filming that for you guys. But let me know if you guys have any other ideas. Please like and subscribe. Helps grow the channel. And be on the lookout for the review video on the trip to Idaho to let you guys know how this helmet withstands, at least with wind and duration of wearing the helmet. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you guys. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.